Honey, darling, my brother, I was wanting to tell you, my brother, he is contesting for the Central Province election.
No, I sure that is awesome, no? Which one is this?
I am the 5th, he's the 6th of 8 siblings. His name is Hitchcock, you remember him?
Hitchcock? You have a brother called Hitchcock?
Why don't you remember him, darling? I introduced you to him at that party, Auntie Violet's party. He's a bit on the chubby side. ගෙදරට අපි කිව්වේ කිරා මල්ලි කියලා. Don't you remember? Polkicha?
He's a bird.
Not a bird, darling, my sweet baby brother, you know. When he started doing great social service for our Gama, they called him Kitcha. Later on, when he became more famous, he became Kudu Kitcha.
අයියෝ අර කුඩු කිච්චා අර සුදු සුදාරත් එක මර්ඩර් එකකට
He's the one, he's so sweet අනේ මේ සරේ he's ඡන්ද ගන්නවා තමයි first වෙනවා තමයි. He wants to be the chief minister.
අනේ දෙවියන්ගේම පිහිටයි පොලි.
Why?
නෑ ඉතින් දෙවියන්ගේ පිහිට අරින්න who else to ask for පිහිට අපේ ඡන්ද ඉතින් ඉබේම වැටෙනවනේ.
දැන් තියෙන්නේ කතර ගහන කාලේ නෙවෙයි. දැන් තියෙන්නේ කතර වදින කාලේ. ඔටෝ වදිනවා.
ඒක ඇත්ත පොලි. දැන් කාලේ ගැහුව කෙනෙක් නෑ. ඒත් ගැහිලා.
Tix, you have to join my brother's campaign. You have to campaign with us.
Ane, we'll see, Polly. I have lots of work. No, I have lots of things to do.
Tix, I am your friend, okay? I would consider it a personal favor if you came. Ask Charya when it's penny in the quarter. Will you not help us?
Hari, okay. We'll see, Balam. Polly?
Palangatiya in a quarter nang. Tix and Nathuain Nahane.
Palangatiya? Call the Palangatiya.
Palangatiya Sindhu Kiana Palangatiya. Kiana Kotat. Kata Kane.
Yanda Polly. Me yaini nahe Polly. I swear yaini nahe.
Ay, Araya full try karnawa yawanna කියලා. අනිත් එක්කෙනා full try කරනවා ගන්න නැතුව ඉන්න කියලා. අරයා කොහේ යන්නද?
අනේ කොහොමුණත් එයා යන්නේ නැහැ. අනේ Polly, you know he was singing a sad song also. ඔබ ඔබේ පැලේ මම මගේ පැලේ මට දුක හිතුණා.
Here, I have come up with a campaign line for Malla. They came up with some campaign line. It was called Ape Kicha Apita Hondai. But then I thought about it and I thought Ape Kicha Apita Hondai.
අනේ ඕ හොඳ campaign line එක හැබැයි Polly, this time you won't be able to use anything from the government. The election is very stiff this time. You know what he said? He sent a chakra lekane saying nobody is supposed to use government property.
What? No way. He's new, no darling. Ara vadicha shock ke inno atiya. How can you do an election without government property? You need all these things to run a campaign. You need vehicles, media, posters, takarang. Who has ever heard of an election campaign being run without using government property? What rubbish.
You wait and see, will you? He's a real straightforward fellow, yeah? Cure.
Ane, please. He also can't do an election now without using government property, and he's not even campaigning, he's just holding the election. I mean, he's also using things like office space, media, printing. He can't do the election without using government property, then he can't expect candidates not to contest the election without using government property. Very impractical, such a waste of time.
ඔය වගේ හිතන හින්දා තමයි the secretary can't even face the media. Yeah, he's so embarrassed, Polly. ලැජ්ජාවෙන් මිරිකිලලු ඉන්නේ.
Athletics ඇත්ත. මේ small ප්‍රාදේශීය අය කරන වැඩ හින්දා මේ මනුස්සයා කොච්චර he's suffering now. How can he face the entire society? For murders, for people being assaulted, for rape, for bribery, for corruption. What can he do? He's just the secretary, no darling. He just has to tell the media only.
What? You mean to say that the secretary can't do anything? He's the secretary, no?
Why didn't you see him crying and saying that he can't face the media?
That's because they don't have මම නම් මේ පොලි මම නම් කණෙන් ඇදලා එළියට දාන්නේ.
Now don't be insulting, Tix. Now think of your father's secretary. You know that a bit of a one she is. If she catches the peon doing something naughty in the office, what can she do? She has to think twice before reporting it to your father. I mean, he may be a big shot, the peon. He may know a big shot. Or your father might be, being friends with him or something. So, you can't be so quick to judge. He can't do anything. Only the police can do anything, no?
පව්වනේ පොලි මට දැන් තේරුණා. I only understood now. There is no limit to this, Polly. Did you hear? One politico's son has made a shot and a child was hospitalized.
But this politician, the father, he said he has no connection to this shooting incident whatsoever. And he said if anybody can prove it, he is Waham Illa Aswenwa Kiela.
Isn't he the father? His son, no?
So he wants someone to prove it. If it's proven, he will resign.
I can just imagine why the secretary is crying. How to prove these things?